Welcome to Daily Bible Benefits. Today is Wednesday, March 26. On this day in 1997, police enter a mansion in Rancho Santa Fe, an exclusive suburb of San Diego, California, and discover 39 victims of a mass suicide. The deceased, 21 women and 18 men of varying ages, were all found laying peaceably in matching clothes and Nike sneakers, and had no noticeable signs of blood or trauma. It was later revealed that the men and women were members of the Heaven's Gates religious cult, whose leaders preached that suicide would allow them to leave their bodily containers and enter in an alien spacecraft hidden behind the Hale-Bopp comet. Today on the podcast, don't flirt with idolatry. 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verses 14 through 22. Wherefore, my dearly beloved, flee from idolatry. I speak as to wise men. Judge ye what I say. The cup of blessing which we bless, is it not the communion of the blood of Christ? The bread which we break, is it not the communion of the body of Christ? For we being many are one bread, and one body, for we are all partakers of that one bread. Behold, Israel after the flesh, are not they which eat of the sacrifices partakers of the altar? What say I then? That the idol is anything, or that which is offered in sacrifice to idols anything? But I say that the things which the Gentiles sacrifice, they sacrifice to devils, and not to God. And I would not that ye should have fellowship with devils. Ye cannot drink the cup of the Lord and the cup of devils. Ye cannot be partakers of the Lord's table and the table of devils. Do we provoke the Lord to jealousy? Are we stronger than he? The earliest mention of the Lord's Supper comes here and in the next chapter, but Paul's purpose is neither to detail how it was instituted nor to show how it was used in the early church. Rather, he gives it an argument for Christians' unity and against Christians having anything to do with the worshiping of idols. Thank you for tuning in to Daily Bible Benefits. Have a good and godly day.